Hi guys, what's good, what's popping, what's happening? It's your girl, Nancy the Creator, aka Media Godmother, and we're here today to find the beautiful damsel, love. Now the question is, do you believe in love? Are you even in love? Well, we're here to find out on today's episode of Yes or Next. What's your opinion on trying new and adventurous things in the bedroom?
I am down for that if whoever I'm trying it with is down for it too.
Are you a fan of public displays of affection?
It depends on who I'm holding hands with. There are some ladies that are just too touchy.
For it to be romantic, it has to be private.
I'm that lady. I'm touchy, feely. For me, it's like one of my love languages anyway.
I'm in trouble.
Yes. What's the most attractive quality in a partner, in your opinion?
I'm easily attracted to your looks.
I am single and ready to mingle.
I honestly don't know why I'm still single. It's not like I've not tried, but I don't know why I'm still single. I've not been searching for a while, Sha.
I think it's a choice. Yeah, I want to get my life together and then, put things on track before putting anyone in my space and letting someone be with me. And
I am still single because I am very picky and I tend to look for, I wouldn't say the bad, but yeah, I haven't found the one. I would trust someone without having seen them.
I have trust issues though.
Trust is a very, very strong word though.
I have serious trust issues. I'll keep my faith 50-50.
To me, at the end of the day, it's the personality, it's the energy, it's the vibes. It's not even like what the person looks like.
It's actually very, very hard for me to easily trust someone. Now to talk of someone that I've not seen before.
This day and age, everyone is too busy, everyone is too savvy to try and come together, meet up and actually try to get a relationship working and find love. So yeah, I've been hearing about Yes or Next. I said, why not? Let me give it a try.
I'm expecting to be intrigued.
Fascinating personality. Someone that will just surprise me.
I'm expecting, sparks. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm chill.
Okay, so let's start. What's your opinion on trying new and adventurous things in the bedroom?
I am down for that if whoever I'm trying it with is down for it too.
All right, we love consent.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the most unusual place you have ever kissed someone?
You first asked me how many times I don't kiss her.
Oh, okay. Sorry, my bad. That's all right. It's fine.
Okay. Unusual place.
Yeah.
I think in a restaurant, yeah. For me,
Okay, yeah. For you,
yeah.
it's unusual. Okay,
Yeah.
I guess me might be the cinema.
cinema.
Yeah. It's not that unusual. I mean,
Yeah, because the cinema is dark.
exactly. Plus, people don't know the back. It's a whole other.
Yeah. No, don't even go there.
It's a whole other situation. But
No.
yeah.
If you could plan our date tonight, what would it
Okay.
look like?
Tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I guess our location is not that bad. It would stay back, and have like a meal, just me and you, and talk. Just something simple, but like if the conversation is good, then the date will be great.
Right.
Yeah, I'm a strong
Right.
believer of that.
Right. I agree with you.
What scares you?
Like in life, heights. I'm afraid of heights. I can't go, like, I can't even climb elevators and be comfortable. Or like,
Are you serious?
Yeah, I swear. Balconies. It is what it is.
You're scared of heights or you're scared of falling? Which one?
Fair enough. That's a good question. Maybe it's
Yeah.
the falling. It's the falling
No,
actually.
she has to be falling.
Yeah.
Because like scared of heights.
Yeah. It's the falling.
She have to be falling because I don't think being scared of heights. For me, I don't think I'm actually scared of heights because I'm tall. Let me just put it like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Give
I don't think I
me
am.
tips, okay? I'm not. Since you have shared, I am going to share mine. I'm not tall. whatever.
Okay.
Are you the type who enjoys sending flirty texts or prefers face-to-face conversations?
Face-to-face conversations, because I prefer value. I like value coming out from whoever I'm talking to or
Yeah.
interacting with. So yeah.
So quality time is like,
Yeah. That's that for me.
Okay, that's nice. I think I'm the same actually.
Really?
I rather like have the person in front of me and we're talking than texting.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Okay. Are you a fan of public displays of affection or do you prefer to keep things private?
I know you're going to think that probably I won't like PDA.
Yeah.
But actually, I do.
It depends on who I'm holding hands with. Though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, seriously.
Why?
There are some ladies that are just too touchy.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm not against being touchy. Just you know,
You know,
find
like,
the right time and the right place to do that. But I'm good. I'm good with public display of affection. PDA, right?
you do?
Yes. Funny enough, because I said private space, right?
Yeah.
So for it to be romantic, it has to be private. I feel it has to be private.
It
not
has to.
something-
I agree
not
with you
something
actually.
Just stay,
Yeah.
you just come to where people are drinking and you expect to be romantic. It won't be
Yeah.
romantic now. You'll be distracted, that kind of thing.
And because I'm that lady. I'm touchy, feely. That's me.
I'm in trouble. Lord. I'm
No.
in trouble.
Yes. Most
Okay.
people, yes, they're in trouble. But it's not bad. Like, you know, if you know each other and then you know what makes you comfortable,
Yeah.
then you can find like a balance.
Yours, what's the craziest thing you've ever done to impress someone you liked? Yeah.
To impress. Oh Jesus. The craziest thing. I don't think I've done anything too crazy. The thing is, for me, it might not be crazy.
Yeah.
But like, because that's how I am, I would just be very straightforward and direct. So I guess the craziest thing I've done is just straight to the point and ask the person, do you want to go out? Or like, you know, just be honest.
I find that courageous, not crazy.
Thank you.
Actually. I find it brave.
Yeah.
Most ladies nowadays don't do that.
Yeah, I know. It's your turn.
Are you a cuddler or do you prefer personal space?
Oh, I'm a cuddler.
Are you a hopeless romantic, a realist, or somewhere in between?
It's A for me.
A hopeless romantic.
Absolutely.
Please, you have to explain what it means. because
It
I'm
just
confused.
means someone who loves love. Like you just like romantic gestures. You like people that, you know, just love in general. I'm very much like that. I'm a very passionate person. So
This is
yes.
going to work.
What?
I am very, very positive about this whole thing.
Wow.
I'm a cuddler too.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. It's necessary.
Very,
At
very
least
necessary.
for me, it's just the way I
Very,
am.
very, very, very necessary.
Yeah.
Because like once I become comfortable, I can easily fall asleep.
Yeah.
That kind of thing.
For me, it's like one of my love languages anyway, so I just have to.
Yeah, one of my love languages actually.
What's yours?
Physical touch.
Oh.
For me,
Yeah.
I love.
Hope it won't be sad because I'm like a realist. Though.
Oh, see, okay, you know, people are not just one thing. Like, you can be a hopeless romantic and still be a realist, to be honest.
It's possible.
Yes.
Then I'm both, please.
You can be in love and still know that maybe it's not going to work.
I'll be.
Yeah. Does not stop me from, you know, spiraling into.
I'll be.
But it's
When
okay.
people see me, they're like, you don't look like someone that is touchy. But I'm so touchy inside. But
Inside?
outside, yes, inside.
Oh, okay, like in
outside,
private.
I'm a strict boy.
It's just that, like, it's just to me, if you're out, like, just. No, but I guess I understand your side, right? Like, maybe when you're outside, you're not trying to do the most.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get that. Like, I get both sides, to be honest.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Okay, let me ask you the next question.
Sure.
What's your favorite movie?
Favorite movie? Okay. Favorite movie. Yes, Breaking Bad. Favorite series, right?
Stop.
Favorite series.
That's
Breaking Bad was.
now that you have
mind-blowing.
said it. Now that you have said it, my brain is slowly catching up again.
Breaking
That's also
Bad
one of my
was
favorite.
very-
Did you finish it?
Yes, now I even watched. I had to watch this. Is it El Camino? Or something?
Yeah, the movie.
The sequel. Yeah.
Yeah,
The sequel. That was crazy.
Yeah, that
I
was
like,
good.
it was like I was reliving Like
Yeah,
the last
from Jesse's perspective.
From Jesse's,
Yeah.
it
Oh,
was so
mad.
nice.
What's the most attractive quality in a partner, in your opinion?
In my opinion,
Yes.
I'm easily attracted to your looks.
Okay.
Yeah, your looks for me, like the most attractive should be your looks. Before probably your character, or the way you speak, or you know, the way you hold down the conversation, stuff like that. What about you?
Actually, I would say to me, the most attractive quality in a partner would probably be, for me, maybe sense of humor. I don't know. Yes, if somebody can make me laugh.
Okay.
And
I
like,
see.
I enjoy my time. Like, that's probably the first thing.
Sense of humor.
Yeah, looks to me normally as secondary. Like, it's just,
Okay.
it's like bonus.
Yeah, okay.
But like, if the personality is there,
sense of humor.
yeah. Ooh, dun 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 dun. Have
Dun,
you
dun.
ever cheated on your partner? If
What?
yes, how many times?
I felt this
Moment
question
of
will come
truth.
today.
Let me
I
tell
just
you,
knew this question will come
the
today.
police is hanging around. So answer honestly.
Okay, have I ever cheated on my partner?
Yes.
If I was in a relationship, or when I was in a relationship.
Your partner is like your girlfriend, so like.
Yes,
in
I
a
have
relationship.
cheated on my partner.
Oh,
before.
very, very interesting. Sorry, I'm stammering. I'm joking.
Yeah, once though, once.
Okay. Okay, once. So you have answered like the second part of the question.
Let me not spoil my shine.
Oh, okay.
If a genie was to grant you 3 wishes, what would they be?
Wow. Jesus. Okay. Wealth. Love. And
What did you say?
I say wealth,
Wealth. Okay.
love,
Love.
and I'm going to say health. I don't know. I went.
I think my family will be the first
Yeah.
thing on my mind. Just make sure they are comfortable and make sure they have a source of fund returning back to them, like some sort of either passive income or something.
Yeah.
Then after that, then help others. Just help. Keep helping.
That's a great answer, actually. And the same for me. Yeah, that's a very, very good answer.
You know, buy car and house.
For them, yeah. No, but honestly, make sure that my family is good and then, you know, myself, and then see how I can help other people.
That's nice.
Yeah. Another question for you. What's your zodiac sign?
Leo.
Taurus, yeah.
Ooh, okay, cool. I'm a Pisces. I don't know if you know.
Pisces?
Yeah.
How do you guys have wahala?
Where did you hear that from? That's wrong. Those are allegations. We're very nice.
Are you a club person or a cinema person?
A club person or a cinema person?
I think the question is deeper though. Like, are you an introvert or an extrovert?
Oh,
or
that
an
kind of
ambivert?
question. I think I'm a little bit of both. Like, I don't mind hanging out, going out, but I mean, it kind of has to be people that I know and people that I'm comfortable with. I don't know why. So I'm just like in the middle of both things.
So an ambivert then.
Is that a thing?
It's a thing, no.
Wow.
I have to
you
place
learn every
myself
day.
somewhere.
You're like that as well?
I am more of an indoor person than an outdoor person.
Oh.
But I think I'm more to the indoor part than the outdoor part. So
Do you think yourself a shy person or like a reserved person?
both.
Ooh,
If there's it, yeah, I'm both. I'm shy and I'm reserved.
interesting. Okay.
Are you close to your family?
Absolutely. Yes.
Like, who are you closest?
My siblings are my best friends. How many are you guys?
5.
Jesus. That's nice.
the way you explained it,
It's
sounded
just,
like you're shocked. or
I
something.
have 2 and it's already a tribe. It's already a whole group. It's not bad. It's nice. Especially if you're close to each other.
I think closest to my brother, because like we're like
Is it
3
the
girls.
age gap?
Eh?
The age gap, is it much?
No,
Oh.
like 2-3 years. I mean.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
What do you do?
What do I do
Yes.
currently?
Yes.
I'm a visual identity designer.
Because I'm a photographer
Oh, nice.
and videographer too.
Do you have any question for me?
Yes, what do you do?
So I just said that I'm in digital marketing,
Okay.
specifically social media marketing.
Oh,
So yeah. manage
sweet.
other people's accounts and stuff.
So actually nice.
This was nice, actually. We do have things in common.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Lydia, and I am a social media marketing professional, and I am on Yes or Next.
Guys, at this point, I want to be the next one on the date. You seem like you're having a great time.
I am.
So this is the time, this is the deciding moment. This is when we will know if it's a yes or a next. Are we going to break this young man's heart? Or, you know, is this going to be some fun unification of souls or whatever?
That was intense.
Yes, I know. So, I mean, you know what to do. You've
Yes.
done it before.
Yes.
You just write that down, show the camera. Let's know what you've decided.
All right.
Show the camera. Let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, this was our decision. And, you know, let's move on to the next stage, I guess. All right. How are you feeling?
I'm nervous.
You're nervous.
I am nervous.
So I want to know, what do you think she said? Do you think she said yes? Do you think she said next?
I think she said, I don't know.
You don't know. You're just going to leave it to
Yeah, I'm
fate.
just, yeah.
All right then. You guys have heard from the horse's mouth. We move on to the next stage.
I think what was unique about my date was that I noticed he's very open. Like, he just laughs so easily. I love people that can just laugh easily. Like, he doesn't take himself too seriously, and I like that. Yes, he kind of did. He did say that. You know, the cheating question that came up, and he did answer that he has cheated before. So I just kind of saw it as a red flag, a little bit, yes. Oh, what he looks like physically. I think he's tall. I think he's lean and dark skinned. That's what I think. Not fully. There are some aspects of this person that he ticked a couple of boxes, but not all of them. And I'm very picky. I need all of my boxes to be ticked.
Great. Excited, and I just want to meet the face behind the voice. Nothing. I can't tell. I cannot tell. But I like people that are open-minded, people that talk. It's amazing, it's fascinating. So I would love to meet this person in reality. Yeah. Yes. That's a deep question, actually. Yes and no. Yes, in the sense that it creates this mystery for you to get on a level ground before starting the main thing. And then no, in the sense that, it's a mystery. How are you supposed to know who you are doing what you're doing with? But I feel we can find a balance. The two of them works.
Hi guys, so this is the moment of truth. This is the deciding moment. I'm so excited. I don't know about you guys, but I'm extremely excited. So they haven't seen each other yet, and we really want to know right now, is she going to say yes or is she going to say next? All right, so I'm going to give you this and this marker. You're going to write it. You're not going to say a word, and you're going to show the camera, so we'll know if this is a yes or we'll have to next into the next date. No pressure.
Yeah,
Okay, let's see what you've written. Let me have the marker. You could lift it up, show the camera, let the people see.
let the people know.
Okay, so how are you feeling?
Omo. Let me start with Omo. Well, we vibed. I can say that we vibed. Let me say probability 60 to 40. I think she chose me for like 60%. Maybe 40. But like, from my heart, I felt really, really good to talk to someone. Like, it was really, 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 really nice. Because like, we got to vibe, we had a lot of things in common. And she sounded like a really, really sweet person. Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, said something differently. Not really, but like I would have asked her if she was a picture person. Because I'm a photographer now, yeah. Yes, she is. She is, definitely. Because we had a lot in common. I'm saying that again. I think that, like, I feel like she's someone I'll be very, 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 very comfortable with. Yes, a lot of them. There are a lot. I have a lot of them. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. I feel like yes, yes. My answer is yes, solid yes. Because people shouldn't just be judged based on like, first of all, like appearances or looks. I think that if you get to know someone better without even seeing them, I think it should be a solid way to actually date someone. For me, yes. I think she said yes. So yeah, I think she said yes.
Okay, my date was actually nice. I do feel like we have a lot of things in common, and I think that there was like an initial connection vibe, call it whatever. So yeah, I think it was good. Um, no, I don't think I would change anything. I think everything happens for a reason. So I was myself, so I can just lead with that. Wow, okay. Without seeing him, personality wise, I would say yes. Just trying to manifest it. Yeah, I guess so. Yes, absolutely. I have a lot of friends I would love to set up. I do believe blind dates are a solid way to find love because you get to focus on the other person's personality and, grow like a connection from there without having looks distract you.
Okay, ma'am. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous a little bit, but yeah, I'm good.
Okay, so are you ready to see your
I'm
second
ready.
date? Your second date, that is the person you nexted.
I know, yes, yes, yes.
Are you sure you're ready?
Show me, show me, show me, show me. He's actually cute.
How do you feel now?
I kind of feel like it's first of all, it's really, really cute. And yeah, it is what it is. I've made my decision, but yeah, it's quite good looking.
Okay, so she stands firm on her decision and it's time to see who you said yes to.
Okay.
Are you nervous? You are. So it's time now for the big reveal where you get to see your date.
Okay.
All right. Date over there. You can open up.
Okay, let's do this. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I don't know your name.
Lydia.
Lydia.
This is where we shake hands, I guess.
Lydia, nice to meet you. I
Nice to
am
meet you.
Nonso.
No, sir.
Yes,
Cool.
nice to meet you, Lydia.